Quantum news in 90 seconds. News Update 1. ORCA's Quantum Machine Learning. On June 12, 2025, ORCA Computing's 64-qubit photonic processor advanced quantum machine learning for healthcare diagnostics. With 99.9% photon detection efficiency, their quantum kernel algorithm achieved 98% accuracy in classifying 10,000 medical images, enhancing early disease detection. News Update 2. Oxford Ionics' gate fidelity record. Oxford Ionics' trapped ion chip, announced May 28, 2025, achieved a 99.97% two-qubit gate fidelity on a 32-qubit system. Using microwave-driven gates, it supports 1006 error-corrected operations, advancing fault-tolerant quantum computing for cryptography and simulation. News Update 3. Quantum Machines' aerospace optimization. On April 25, 2025, Quantum Machines' hybrid solver optimized aerospace manufacturing on a 48-qubit system. Their variational quantum algorithm reduced production costs by 8% across 500 part assemblies, improving efficiency for satellite and aircraft production. Thanks for watching our daily quantum computing news update in 90 seconds.